Hey guys, thanks a lot for giving a great response to my MBA series. The next video of that series will come next week. But before that, I have a bonus video for you that will teach you a trick that you can use for making your YouTube videos or even in your projects. So let's get started. Today, I will share with you a hack that I used in last two of my videos. And this hack is how to create a transparent background picture. As you can see here and here, you can find that I have used pictures that have transparent background, and I will show you how you can make your own. So the first step is we'll open photopea.com, which is a workaround for Photoshop. So this is an online tool completely free and you don't have to make an account, and you can just simply open it and use it, and it will and it can do everything that a Photoshop can do. So we will take our picture that we want to create transparent background, and this is the picture as you can see in the thumbnail of this video also. So what we'll do is we'll select on the pen tool. Where's the pen? Here's the pen. And what pen does is it gives you a freedom to create your own path. So we will start creating path by clicking here and then click, 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 and so on. So remember to join all the points like this. And now the path has been created. Now we'll go to paths and change this path to selection. Now it has become a selection. And now we'll go to layers and we'll create a mask. So as you can see, now it has become a transparent picture, but our work is not done yet. The next step is we will add a stroke to it. So stroke is something that adds the outline to it, and it will actually make your picture more clean and more impactful. So we can click here, we select white color here, we select it, and then stroke size you can decide. So as you can increase the stroke size, you can see in the picture, if you make the stroke bigger, it will bigger. And I think you should keep it to center for more cleaner stroking. So I will keep the stroke at 15 because I think 15 should give it a good outline for a dark background. And I click OK. And what you do is you just export it as a PNG. And that's it, you're done. Now, this picture, this PNG that you have generated, you can copy this PNG and for example, you can add it to any of your thumbnails like this. Just Control C and Control V. And that's it. This is your transparent background picture, and you just need 2 to 3 minutes to create it. So guys, I hope you like this trick and hack. If you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will keep on uploading new videos every week.